welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm gonna be cleaning and decorating my living room area for Christmas. I have all my stuff out and I want to get it up and decorated. I do apologize for not uploading a video for this week. I have been sick. I'm still a little sick. I had a really bad sinus infection. It spread into this cheek. So I wasn't able to film and I've been really tired and just trying to rest and get better. So I hope to be posting more videos for Vlogmas. And I don't think I'll be doing every daily videos, but I'm gonna try to do at least 12 days of Christmas. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and let's get decorating. I'm going to be cleaning the mantle with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray in the scent Peppermint. Now I'm going to take this pine garland that I got from Michael's and I'm going to fold it in half.
Santa baby, just slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. So hurry down the chimney tonight. So hurry down the chimney. Santa baby, a 54 convertible.
I'm going to do the same thing with another piece to put on the other side of the mantle. I'm just going to separate the branches like you would with a Christmas tree, just so it looks a little more full. I'm going to arrange 4 picks that I bought from the Dollar Tree.
Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed. Next year I could be just as good if you check off my Christmas list.
I'm then going to place these battery operated lights that I bought from the Dollar Tree across the entire garland.
Santa baby, I want a yacht and really that's not.
Now I'm going to spread out through the garland different colored Christmas balls, and then I'm going to put these blue bells that I bought from Walmart on each end. I purchased these cute little trees from the Christmas tree shop a few years ago.
To a platinum mine, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa cutie, fill my stocking with a duplex and checks. Sign your X on the line, Santa cutie, and hurry down the chimney tonight. Come and trim my Christmas tree with some decorations bought at Tiffany. I really do.
I also purchased this stocking holder at the Christmas tree store about 3 years ago. Now I'm adding this cute garland. It has Christmas elf faces throughout.
I don't mean on the phone, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
Again, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's peppermint spray to clean the bottom of the fireplace. I purchased this little red pickup truck from Kohl's. It's probably my favorite thing that I got this year. I'm going to use this curtain rod to hang up our stockings.
Tonight.
comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus.
I think I purchased these gift boxes at Christmas Tree about 3 years ago as well, but I have seen them at other stores. Here's that little sign I purchased in my Dollar Tree Christmas haul. I'll link that video down below if you guys haven't checked it out yet. Now I'm going to take this mesh garland. I made this about, I don't know, 3 years ago, and I'm going to put it on top of the mantle. If you're interested in learning how to make these, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, because in my next video I'll be making one for my dining room.
So hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's filled with toys.
I'm going to be using these wreaths from Michaels. They're about $4 each. And then also this poinsettia garland, which was 50% off, so it was $10. And then the bow is from the Dollar Tree.
Comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus, 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 right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He doesn't care if you're rich or poor, he loves you just the same. Santa Claus knows we're all God's children, that makes everything right. So fill your hearts with Christmas cheer, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He'll come around when chimes ring out that it's Christmas morn again. Peace on earth will come to all if we just follow the light. So let's give thanks to the Lord above, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeers pulling on the rein. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. Hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
I'm just going to sweep up the mess that I made and then mop the floor.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. it's been said many times, many ways. Merry Christmas.
It's time for a much deserved cup of hot chocolate. To boil the water, I'm going to be using the Cosori electric kettle. I'm loving this kettle right now because it's so easy to use and well made. Every part is made with food grade stainless steel. I also love that it has a max line inside and tells you exactly how much you're allowed to put in. It also opens and closes very nicely. Once you've filled it with the desired amount of water, then you're just going to click it on the base and plug it in. To turn it on, you're simply going to press this little switch, which will light up blue. Once it's completed boiling, it will turn off. The water heats up quickly and maintains the temperature, so I can pour a cup of hot chocolate now and then have a cup of tea later. I also have a 10% off coupon for you guys to use if you're interested in purchasing the Cosori electric kettle. It is Jennifer Kettle, and that's JENIFER KETLE, and it is valid until December 20th. Now I'm going to enjoy this cup of hot chocolate with one of my favorite Christmas movies, The Holiday.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Fast away the old year passes, fa la 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 la.